Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the SynthAIVerse token. Ticker symbol is SAI. This token is getting a brand new central exchange listing November 19th on a very big central exchange. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second, but before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here, the SynthAIVerse. It kind of looks like SynthAIVerse, but it's SynthAIVerse. Now, this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing November 19th at 12 o'clock UTC time on a very big central exchange called MEXC Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an MEXC Global account, I do have an MEXC Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do is simply go right through that MEXC Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search SAI, which is the ticker symbol, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So, SynthAIVerse is a full-stack artificial intelligence platform and the first platform-level product of the Web3 industry that combines ChatGPT plus ARBITRUM smart contracts and applies them to the investment field. Now, this is an ARBITRUM token. It is on the ARBITRUM blockchain. According to their ARB scan, they only have 2 holders so far, which leads me to believe that November 19th is going to be their initial listing date period. 18 decimal places on this token, a total supply of 100 million SAI tokens. Now, they have a Twitter. I'm going to put that up on the screen right here. They have 53 tweets so far on the Twitter at SynthAIVerse on Twitter. Over 5,000 followers on there. They have a link to their webpage, synthaiverse.info. And on their webpage, you can find a full white paper. It'll take you over to synthaiverse.gitbook.io/white-paper. And that's where you're going to find all the info on this project and token here. It says, welcome to SynthAIVerse Full Stack Artificial Intelligence Platform. It's a full-stack artificial intelligence platform, and it is the first platform-level product in the Web3 industry that combines ChatGPT plus ETH smart contracts and applies them to the investment field. SynthAIVerse hopes to help every investor have the ability to apply artificial intelligence technology for investment transactions to realize that machines replace human brains for data mining and analysis, and to identify potential patterns that affect financial changes in the massive financial data, and then make rational decisions and scientific investments. So they have a how-to start guide on their page. The first step of SynthAIVerse platform is to fairly distribute SynthAIVerse to the community members in a decentralized manner, and building a community ecology to obtain traffic. So SynthAIVerse has a community, and this community is the key to unlock the future chapter in the AI investment story. So they have Tokenomics on their paper, if you want to check that out. They also have NFTs, a decentralized autonomous organization. You can also earn. There's all sorts of stuff on here. So this is the key token to the SynthAIVerse ecosystem. It has a strong deflationary property and can earn passive income through staking through the application and value route. So you can also mine SAI tokens, and then there's the AI NFTs as well. Now, how the token is split up here is that 50% of the tokens go to the decentralized autonomous organization treasury, 30% airdrops, 20% staking output. Now, it says there's a tax burn. So it says 15% of each transaction will be allocated to the tax burn. So if you are buying this off a decentralized exchange like Uniswap or SushiSwap, where you could trade Ethereum and ARBITRUM tokens, looks like there is going to be some taxes. So you're going to have to set slippage. There's probably going to be gas fees, all that type of stuff. Now, if slippage is in the ballpark of 15%, which they're saying there's a 15% transaction and allocated to tax burn, you may be having to pay high taxes on these decentralized exchanges. So just be aware of that, along with the gas fees. But on MEXC, that's the good part about MEXC, is they have their own fees, and they have minimal fees on MEXC compared to these high taxed tokens on decentralized exchanges. So just be aware of that. Now, they do go through their products on here. So they have the SynthAIVerse GPT, which is a chat generation pre-training conversation conversion tool. Sorry, not conversation, conversion tool. It is a deep learning model based on the transformer architecture, which can construct and generate language, and it can handle various tasks such as question answering, dialogue generation, tax generation, etc. They also have the SynthAIVerse Financial Services. It's a next-generation terminal developed by SynthAIVerse, relying on a large-scale capability of the platform. It can be used for financial data analysis, factor mining, strategic generation, code writing, etc. Another product here is they have the SynthAIVerse Cloud Computing, which is cloud accelerator cluster scheduled application developed by SynthAIVerse, which can dynamically invoke server cluster level computing power to accelerate the operation of complex tasks such as massive data processing, high frequency factor mining, parallel superparameter search, and rolling training. And then lastly, we have the transaction engine, which is committed to providing users with convenient and powerful tools for quantitative strategy writing, backtest analysis, simulation, and real trading. So tons of utilities going on here. You can find this all in their white paper. Check it out. Check out this Twitter here and just click on their webpage. You're going to find all sorts of links on the webpage there, synthaiverse.info. And check out all the referral codes down there, especially that MEXC Global one where this token gets listed tomorrow. Make sure you guys like this video. Subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And let me know in the comment section down there, what do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.